Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, this is my second video in the series of financial independence, and in my previous video I had told you how we are going to achieve financial independence and why do we need to achieve financial independence and all those things, but how to achieve it, and also the journey is all going to start now. And in this particular video I am going to share you one important secret which many will not share to you. Now that you're all part of my family, ATF Trading family, it is my responsibility, it is my duty to share you this top secret where we can earn passive income from our stock market funds which is available in our trading account. Friends, what happens is, in order to achieve financial independence, I have told you that you need to have multiple sources of income. So one source of income, as already you all have, is your job, professional, that is nothing but 9 to 7 job, or might be you are doing any business or any professional services. So all these are considered as your main income. Now we have to identify a secondary sources of income. So as you already know that you're already doing your trading and you'll be earning almost 10% of your salary. This is what I discussed in last video. But now I am going to show you one more third and easy method of earning a passive income, and I bet that everyone can earn out of this method, and it's very easy, very simple. Okay, so you're all very eager to know what it is all about, so stay tuned till the end of the video. I'll be giving full update about it. Okay, so friends, to give you an example, you all will be having funds available in your trading account. Okay, let it be Zerodha or Upstock or Alice Blue or anything of that sort. You would have kept 1 lakh of amount in your trading account, and as I already told you, all of my strategies, I'll give you that for a particular strategy how much of fund required for trading. So you would have observed that many trading platforms provide you the margin. Yes. So let us say, for example, there is 1 lakh in your trading account. This is just an example. You have 1 lakh in your trading account, and you would have observed that when you do your trading, it just hardly takes 5,000 of the fund. It just takes 5,000 fund for that particular trade. You would have observed, based on your leverage and all the margin availability provided by a broker, hardly 10% or 5% of your fund is used for trading. You agree with me? So the remaining 95,000 is idle in your account. Agree? Also, you're trading from 9:15 to 3:15. After this, again your money is idle in the account. Okay. Also, after you finish your trading on Fridays, Saturday, Sunday, your money is idle in the account. And also, when you have any holidays, national public leaves, all these time your fund is idle in the account. Now, how do we make use of this opportunity to earn extra income? And it's purely passive income, friends. There's nothing which you have to do. There's no effort which you have to put. You don't even have to look into your screen. Nothing of that sort. What you have to do is simple. There's 1 lakh of your fund which is available in your trading account. Initially, you can invest into any stocks, or you can invest into any ETFs. Okay, so I would recommend to all the beginners who are starting to please invest in liquid Bs. It's called as liquid Bs. Now, what is this liquid Bs? It's almost equal to a fixed deposit. Okay, so you'll be getting decent returns of 6% returns every year. It's almost like your money is kept in a fixed deposit, and if you're keeping a fixed deposit fund in a bank, you'll be getting, without any effort, you'll be getting easily 6.5% to 7%. The same way, by investing in liquid Bs, you'll be getting 6% returns without any headache or without any work. And it's very easy to buy liquid Bs. Just go to your watch list and type for liquid Bs. You will find liquid Bs, and then you can just buy like a normal stock. You can just buy this, and then after buying this will be seen in your portfolio immediately as a stock purchase. After you have bought this, what you can do is, next day you can pledge this particular liquid Bs. So when you pledge this, 90% of the fund is available back into your trading account. Friends, and when you come, there is no interest or nothing of that sort charged in this. You just have to pay some 60 rupees for each transaction. So forget about the number of the amount which you are pledging and all those things. It is not based on all those things. Once you do a pledge, 60 rupees will be charged, and once you unpledge, another 60 rupees will be charged. So basically what it means is that your fund which is idle in the account can be put into a liquid bees fund. Immediately you will start earning income from the day one. You will be earning income in the night, in the day, or anytime. Even when you are sleeping, all those during this time you will be getting income out of this fund which is available in a trading account. And then once you pledge it, this income comes into your, this fund comes into your trading account. So you can start doing your trading as normal as usual. Because you know that for a stock of 1 lakh rupees, you are hardly using 5,000 to 10,000 rupees only. So by this, friends, you are getting an additional sources of income. So friends, this is what exactly I promised you when we took up the topic, or when you took up the challenge of achieving financial independence. I told you that I'll make you achieve multiple sources of income. I'll guide you through the journey. I will show you how to do all those things. So this is one among the secret, and this is one among the beginning step which you all are going to do. So each and every one of you who are following me, who are ready to take up my mentorship program, who are following me for my achieving financial independence, should all start following this technique, this method. It's completely safe. Otherwise, I will not recommend it to you. And be very particular. Invest only in liquid bees. I am not recommending you to invest into Nifty bees or investing into stocks and all those things. You are a beginner, or if you are new to this, it is safe you invest in liquid bees. Okay, so let us follow the discipline. Invest your fund into the trading account, immediately buy liquid bees, and once you buy the liquid bees, you can pledge it the next day, and immediately after one day you can find that account in your trading, the money in your trading account. And once the money comes into trading account, you can start trading bindas, no worry. And one more thing you have to be aware of this is, friends, that in case if there is some loss in your trading account, then automatically your liquid bees, whichever you purchased, will be sold automatically. So this you have to be ready for that. Just keep your mind ready. Say for example, you have 1 lakh in a trading account and you are going through a strategy and it is having a continuous losses. So then the money will reduce in your trading account. So that is adjusted by selling the shares in liquid bees. Now when it comes to liquid bees, you can see that the share value of liquid bees is 1,000 rupees and it will stay constant throughout the year. Okay, so this is the best part. It will neither increase, it will neither decrease, so you don't have to worry about your price money going down or all those things. Then now you will ask me, how is it I am getting profit out of it when it is always 1,000 rupees? You will be getting dividends, and the dividends is in the form of units. So say for example, you have bought for 1 lakh rupees and each liquid bees is 1,000 rupees. So you will be getting almost 100 units. So when you get, it is credited every month. So when you get your first profit, that is nothing but the first dividend, end of the month, it will add into your units. Your units will increase. Okay. So then you can see this 1 lakh will be increasing to 1 lakh 1,000 rupees or 1 lakh 2,000 rupees in that way. But this 1,000 will be always constant. The units, which is 100, will start increasing to 101 or 102 or 103. This is how you get your dividends, and it comes every month. But it is calculated from the time you invest into liquid bees. It will neither be Sunday or it can be holiday or anything of that sort. You can see that your money keeps increasing, This is also one more technique called as how to make your money work for you. There's nothing that which you are doing. You're just investing into the stock market, investing into the liquid bees, and your money is working all through the day for you. And you are also using that money for trading as well. Friends, don't you think it's very simple, very easy and very smart? So now I have shown you a method of earning an extra income. In the next video, I'll be showing you one more third method of earning an extra income. By this, I'm sure continuing this journey, you're already going to quick start with 3 sources of income. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any point of time, don't forget to WhatsApp me. My number is 8095-876525. Any additional services, any support or any mentorship program also you require, you can always WhatsApp me. And as I told you, my number is 8095-876525. Thank you and have a nice day.